Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. Let's see what charts are going to tell us for BTC, Ethereum and Cardano price actions. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from these videos. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and I believe that this will help to take your own trades. Bearing in mind the levels are changed for the BTC and Ethereum. And before we start, I would like to remind you, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting your time, let's dive in. Starting from a higher time frame, weekly time frame. In the last 1 month, we've been under the consolidation. As you saw, in the last few weeks, I've been telling 59,160, 59,200 is going to be crucial for the weekly time frame. Last week, we closed with this perfect candle and we managed to stay above 59,160 level. So since then, a minor pullback and we saw a new all-time high under a weekly time frame. A daily time frame. When we look into a daily time frame, we are still healthy and bullish. As I said, as long as we do not lose this parabolic curve and we've got a daily support resistance down below us, then we are good to go. And daily time frame will be bullish. Moving on to 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, once we reached 61,780, which was previous all-time high, we got a decline in the market, and then we tested number of times this important resistance line that you can see, third time, fourth, and then fifth time. So as a result, the first time when we got rejection, we saw a V-shaped recovery. Since then, a bit of consolidation. Last two times we tried again, and as I mentioned, the lower time frames as well as the higher time frames start giving a bullish signal right in here. And 12th of April, I said highly likely the bulls will start appearing within 72 hours. Yesterday we saw a nice pump in the market, and today, as I expected, my target price, the first target price, if you remember, $64,000 and $65,000. So if we're going to look at highest price for this candle, it's going to be around $64,895. So we reached the first target with $105 difference, and I'm happy with this target level. And the next main target zone, as you remember, we had a target plan under 1618 Fibonacci zone. It was around $68,000 and $70,000, and I'm still expecting that we're going to reach very soon this 70,000 psychological level. After a month of consolidation, we don't need this resistance. We had a support around 55,500 and 300 level. As you saw, we managed to stay above the bullish zone and then retested it again. Since then, as you remember, I called bulls are on the way once we managed to stay above $55,900 and $56,000. And with today's pump, we have been already up by 16% spot profit. If you do the leverage, you do the math for the 10 times and 5 times leverage. The current condition of the 4-hour time frame is extremely healthy and bullish. Before we move on, I would like to remind you, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8. And one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master. The system will cover scalping, i.e. day trading, swing trading, and long-term investment strategies. Now let's move on to 2-hour time frame. 2-hour time frame provided a bullish signal right around here once we managed to break 54,900 level. So since then, 2-hour time frame provided nearly 18% spot profit. So 2-hour time frame is still healthy and bullish. On the 1-hour time frame, once we managed to break 58,300 level, we were on the bullish territory. First bullish is provided at around 52,000, and then we had a little dump, I call it consolidation, and then once we managed to break and stay above 57,500, since then the 1-hour time frame is under the bull's control. So 1-hour time frame is healthy and bullish. These are our new support levels. On the 1-hour time frame, we already nearly tested the upper line of this support level, which is 62,100. At the moment, 1-hour time frame is still healthy and looking bullish. If we're going to lose this level, upper line, then highly likely we will go and be inside this support. And maximum, I'm expecting to test 60,100. For this moment, it's too early to talk about this level. Let's look into a 30-minute time frame. As I said, the 30-minute time frame is still healthy and bullish. If on the lower time frame, 1 hour and 30 minutes time frame, we will lose this level of 62,100, then highly likely we will go and test 60,100 level. 2 hour time frame. On the 2 hour time frame, as you can see, this level is very crucial for the 2 hour time frame. We may break on the lower time frame 62,100, however, there is another support at around 61,000 level. So bear in your mind, 61,000 level also be inside this support level. 4 hour time frame. When we look into a 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is extremely healthy and there is no point to talk about any bear scenario. We might see, as I said, on the lower time frames, some sort of consolidation, and we are good to go towards our target zone of $68,000 and $70,000. Moving on to Ethereum. Before we move on, if you're enjoying from the contents and if it's helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Ethereum, if you remember, once we broke and stayed above 1770, you saw it retested perfectly, and the primary target was around $2,200, and we played dollar to dollar, week to week. As you can see, the highest level of this candle was $2,200 exactly. Then at the same time, we expected a minor correction in the market, and with the BTC, as I said, within 72 hours we will see a next leg up. So our next target zone was around 2,500 level. So I'm still holding my bias. As soon as we broke and retested from the 1,770, up to date, one could have been already over 35% spot profit. If you're a leverage trader, 10 times 350, 5 times 175% profit. So the current condition for 4 hour time frame is extremely healthy and bullish. Moving on to 2 hour time frame. On the 2 hour time frame, nearly similar calculation applies. As we can see, there was a resistance, and as soon as we stayed above this resistance, 2 hour time frame started giving a bullish signal. So you've been already up by 38.5% spot profit. So the current condition of 2 hour time frame is extremely healthy and bullish. 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame still healthy and bullish. We've got around here at around 2,240 level, 50 level, minor support. Highly likely, I'm expecting the price will consolidate around this region and will test this first support box, which is 2,260 and 2,220 level. As long as we do not lose this support level 1, it is too early for me to talk about the support level 2, which is 2,160 and 2,130 levels. The next target for the Ethereum is going to be $2,500 and $2,611, which is going to be our next 2618 Fibonacci level. The first Fibonacci level, the golden zone, 1618, as you can see it, the price was 2,200 exactly, and it played out perfectly. Expected second rejection, that, as I said, in the first go we might not break this level, and little bit of consolidation, broke it, retested dollar to dollar. Since then we are on the second target zone. So overall, I'm still following the same Fibonacci levels that in the previously, since December, since I started my YouTube channel, I already provided more than 15 target levels for the Ethereum. After the Christmas, as you remember, the bullish signal has been provided when the price broke $630 and $640. Since then, we are on an uptrend for the Ethereum. Moving on to Cardano. Cardano on the lower time frame started giving a bullish signal at around $1.2524, right around here. As you can see, we managed to break the previous resistance, retested it perfectly, and then we are already under the bull's control. Few days ago, I tweeted via my Twitter account that these are going to be the buy levels for me, and then from there on I provided target level at around 140 and 150 levels. So from the entry level, you've been already, if we're going to calculate from 150 level, already up by over 22% spot profit. If you've been leverage trader in the last 72 hours, you've been already up by 10 times leverage, 220% profit. We are witnessing minor correction in the market. So as a result of the BTC dump, we saw a correction from the BTC, and alts are correcting heavily. 1 hour time frame for Cardano is still bullish and healthy. 2 hour time frame. Under 2 hour time frame, same levels applies. Once we managed to stay above $1.24, we went all the way up to the bullish territory. 4 hour time frame. When we look into a 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame start giving a bullish signal slightly later, around $1.26. Since then, we are on an uptrend. And the next target that I'm expecting after this correction is going to be around $180 and $190. We came to an end of this episode, and if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.